guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section 1668 maximum repeated substring. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel. Okay. For string sequence, string word string word is k repeating if a word containing k times a substring of sequence, right? The word's maximum k repeating value is highest value the word is k repeating in the sequence. Right. So basically, you guys have a sequence, right? Let's say A B A B C, and you have word. And then you see that the answer will return 2 because you can only return AB is a subsequence AB, right? But you can go twice AB AB, right? But you cannot go triple, right? AB AB AB. So there is AB. It's not in sequence. So the answer is that somebody give the problem is that somebody give you a sequence and words, and you need to return a maximum k repeating value of the word in the sequence, right? So somebody give you a sequence and a word, okay? So for example, BA, right? There is a small BA here, but there is no second BA, right? So 1, right? And AC, right? The problem is that there is no AC. Okay, so the Python is very easy that you can just use word in a sequence to check that whether such word is indeed a subsequence of original sequence. So let's assume the answer is 0, right? Answer is 0. That I is 1. Okay, so why? Because let's assume that it starts from 1. Okay. And you keep repeating what? That wordy defined to be I times word, right? So I times word means that you repeating I times. So you first check that whether. So the algorithm is that you first check whether word is a subsequence. And if word is a subsequence, then you times 2, right? Check that whether sequence can accommodate twice word. If it can accommodate twice, then you check that whether it can accommodate triple, right? You keep going until you find that that sequence cannot absorb word. Okay, so wordy defined to I times word, and if wordy is not in sequence, that means you fail, right? So for example, if the original I is 1 and you fail, that means there's the word is not subsequence, so you then output 0. So that means generally you need to return I minus 1 because you didn't pass the ICE test. Otherwise, that you just check the next I plus or equals to 1, right? So this is a very simple algorithm. So you just check one by one, right? Until you fail. Okay, so let's solve the problem. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.